Hi everyone, just wanted to come to you to show you that I got my Cupid box today from Siah Swag. This is actually Sunday. It was delivered to me by the United States Postal Service. I'm so excited. I did not expect it so quickly. Since I got home from church, my husband told me it was there and I opened it. Must have done something right today. I don't know. Anyways, it's from Joleelee, Tulip Bee, Siah Swag, and Sewflo Design. Sewflo designed the pattern. Siah provided us some hardware. Tulip Bee is the vinyl and the water-resistant canvas. And then Joleelee with the cutest little tags. And the zipper panel, just real quick, show you. Now, I know she's all sold out. That's great for her, but sad for the others who were not able to get them one. But just still wanted to show you. So it came, this was wrapped around it. Obviously, like I said, I already opened it up, had to take a look. But she had a really cute tissue paper wrapped around it. I opted for the text 70, pink and black, because I don't have it. And the text 70, because I just got an industrial. So I'm building up my collection there. And it comes with the little cutest little half rolls, like little babies, little sisters and little brothers. Adorable zipper panel, so cute with the hearts, the foam to make your little heart puffy, the pattern to write it. Now this is the written pattern, and this is how they designed it. But I'm going to do mine a little different. I will show when I get it done. Everybody's got little ideas on how they want to do their bag with their different things. And I think it'll be, what I'm going to do is really going to be cute. So you got to stay tuned for that. And I know there's enough vinyl in here to do it because you have a full roll of pink, Glenda pink. That's her smooth. And it's so smooth. It's like butter. And then her super smooth black and obsidian. And these are full rolls. So I know the way I'm going to do mine, I'll have plenty. Deckleville light for your interfacing. And then you got your waterproof canvas for your lining. It's cute little hearts. Doodle. This is a limited edition. This won't be offered for sale on her site, but the Glenda and the obsidian will be. And then this is also limited edition, exclusive for the Cupid box. Cupid stripes. Now she does have on her site a red and white, and I think she does have pink. It's just not the black, I think, is what's extra in there. And that's put in there to match the black, obviously, in the bag. This is the pattern pieces that cut out and cut your bag. And this is awesome because I can use this, and I can actually cut on like poster board. I seen Simply Classic. She was talking about that. Didn't even think about that until I watched one of her bag maker workshops. But anyway, and then we've got, it come with a chain in case I wanted to use a chain instead of the vinyl. Look at this. You can make it snazzy with the chain. And then you've got all of the hardware. Strap connectors, which is adorable little hearts. I showed this all to my husband when I got it. He wasn't as impressed as I was, but I don't care. He still has to look at it anyways. It's his job. Little cute little hearts. And some magnetic snap. And yeah, the hardware to make. And you also have the hardware to make a crossbody. Regular vinyl crossbody. So you got two options. You could actually make it with both options and then even out. Boom, you got your chain. Just regular carry. Boom, you got your vinyl. I'm just saying. And a zipper. What else we got? What else? I think that's it. Well, and the pattern, you've got a written pattern that came with it. And then inside the box is a coupon code to have a PDF. So you can put it in, have it saved as PDF just in case you lose your paper pattern. Or you're like me, you get so disorganized and you're not sure. But anyway, boom. And it's the cutest box. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. The cutest box that came, and then when you flap it open, the cutest little stuff warning, contents inside may cause, and then it's got all kinds of cute little sayings. Absolutely adorable little sayings. That's it there. And then the cutest, you got your stickers. I love my stickers. Oh, and then you got the cute little tags you can put in. I'm about to cut the bag because I can't get it to work here. There we go. Got it. And then I've got all the Tulip Bee stickers because, well, you can ask Annette. I order a lot from Tulip Bee. But this is a new one. Be Mine, B-E-E. That's just, that's adorable. And then Joleelee's. I need one. And I needed new stickers for my new table because my domestic table is covered with stickers. I was actually full. Then that's probably why I bought an additional, just so I can have more space for stickers. But anyway, got your sticker from Joleelee, which is a nice Create Your Own Happiness. Love that. And then cute little Marley May, cute little doggy. That's from Siah. And then you've got another sticker that's everybody together and a Cupid box, which is really cute. That'll be like a memory. A piece of Decaville Heavy for your strap connectors. And then these adorable little tags. Woven tags that you can put in your bag. You can choose, or you can just fill your whole bag full. Love is a 4-letter word. That's cute. Heartbreaker. That's adorable. In case of emergency, hug this bag. That always makes you feel better when you've got a nice, pretty bag and you hug it. Inspected by Cupid. And I know Kasai showed some of this already, but I can't help it. And then there's the cutest little Cupid with the needle. Is the is like the yes, a sewing needle, and then it's like little thread. Oop, let's go that way. There you go. That is adorable. I think this one definitely is going in the bag. I can't decide whichever. I'm going to put 2 in, but I just can't decide which 2 to put in my bag. But again, look out for the bag that I'm going to make. Again, I'm going to do it a little different than the picture. Oh, I've got myself buried here. Let me find it. There it is. Sorry, guys. I'm going to do mine a little different than this way, which is adorable. Don't get me wrong. But it's just an idea that I had actually when I was watching Siah sew her bag. I came up with an idea. If anybody was watching the comments, you could probably figure it out because I put it in the comments. But anyways, love it. It's great. I mean, well worth the money that we paid for it. So anybody who's going to look out for anything that she comes out in future, be watching out for it. She got this out so fast. She's one-woman show, and she does fantastic. And everybody, all of her fans appreciate it. So, number 1, thanks Siah. Thanks Annette. Thanks Leslie. And I apologize. I cannot think of Brittany, Sewflo Designs. Thank you guys so much for this collaboration. Looking forward to the next one. Can't wait. Thanks. Bye.